Today I'm going to walk you through exactly how to fix Telegram stories if they're not uploading for you, even in 2024. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know not just what to do, but why each step matters, so you can finally share your stories with your friends and followers stress-free. Let's jump right in. First, let's start with some key basics many people overlook. Telegram stories are a feature available only for premium subscribers when it comes to personal accounts. So before you try anything else, double check. Do you have Telegram Premium activated on your account? You can't access or upload stories without it. If you're not sure, tap your profile and check for premium status. If not, you'll see options to upgrade, and trust me, this simple check can save you hours chasing technical fixes that won't work without premium enabled. Alright, if you've got premium, let's move on. Sometimes all your app needs is a fresh start. Fully close Telegram, not just clicking the close button, but actually click the Telegram icon in your system tray and choose Quit to make sure it's not running in the background. Reopen Telegram and try uploading your story again. If things are still stuck or buggy, a quick restart of your computer can clear out any random glitches lurking in your system memory. Don't underestimate this, it sounds simple, but tech support pros swear by a full restart for a good reason. Now, connectivity. Telegram needs a stable internet connection to upload stories, and sometimes there's a hiccup you don't see at first. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data if you can, or toggle your device's airplane mode on and off to refresh connections. If you're on a desktop, try restarting your router. Sometimes all it takes is a quick reset to get things flowing again. If you find other apps are slow too, it's probably network related, so focus on fixing that. Little problems here can sneak up and look like bigger app failures. Let's make sure Telegram settings aren't getting in the way. Open Settings, go to Data and Storage, and check your auto-download settings for media. If these are set too restrictively, Telegram might not fetch or upload new content properly, including stories. Adjust auto-download so it works with your data plan and network speed. You don't want uploads or downloads stalling out unexpectedly. Another common culprit is cache buildup. Go into Settings, then Advanced, and look for storage options. Click Clear Cache to get rid of any temporary files that might be clogging up Telegram's workflow. Think of it like clearing out old clutter in a closet. Sometimes an overflowing cache can make apps behave unpredictably or refuse to upload. And don't forget app updates. While you're in the Advanced menu, head to Version and Update and click Check for updates. Running an outdated version of Telegram can easily block you from using new features or stability fixes, and story uploads do depend on the latest version in some cases. Updates are quick and painless, and they patch up a bunch of small glitches behind the scenes. If none of this works, let's see if the problem's tied to your desktop app. Try uploading a story via Telegram web in your browser, or use the mobile app on your phone. If your story goes through in one but not the other, you know the issue is specific to that platform. Super helpful info that cuts troubleshooting time in half. One more thing, if you're using Telegram web and uploads still won't start, clear your browser's cache and cookies. Browsers save all sorts of info to speed up websites, but ironically, that can gum up new features or file uploads. Clearing the cache gives your browser a fresh start, like unwinding a tangled ball of string so everything can move smoothly again. And that's it. With these steps, you should be able to pinpoint and fix just about any story upload issue in Telegram. If you found this guide helpful, please hit that like button, it really helps out the channel. Drop a comment below if you have questions or if there's another Telegram issue you'd like solved. And don't forget to subscribe for more up-to-date tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching and happy story sharing.